In this video, we're going to show you how to calibrate your bed height using a piece of material and doing what we call a scratch test. First, I'm going to make this material, which comes out at 1.25 inches. Next, I'm going to run this material into the machine until it's just underneath the belt. Now we're going to perform what's called a scratch test. We're going to rotate the belt as I adjust the table so the belt just scratches the material. Okay, then you want to run that material through your machine. You can see how our scratch test resulted in a light scratch across the piece of our material that we measured at 1.25 inches. So now we know that our bed height, according to the scratch and the thickness of the material, is 1.25. So I'm going to program the Minikol for that origin value. We go F2, enter, put in 1.250 for our origin value, enter, then F0, enter. It's asking if I want to change the origin value, and enter is saying yes. Now our origin value is 1.25. If we adjust our bed down, it opens up the bed, it increases the number. If we adjust it up, it closes the bed and decreases that number. So you know your bed is calibrated, and this number is now correct.